To suck like, you know, like that.
That's good.
Tao bụi
Tao bụi nữa. Ôi. Không phải thà có Mizo đâu mà ăn xoài hơn phê chứ. Thì chứ kem để cho nha, cái lọc nó thì nắng cái lọc nó to phê. Yeah, it's not like
you know how
everyone.
Yeah, you know how to eat crepe.
No, I've only seen it done in movies.
But you look like you have experience.
So you never had before?
I've had crab cakes, but not fresh crab. But it's good. Not for you though, right?
Spicy, not spicy, right?
No, not too bad.
There's a crab. Say again?
Choc eye.
Anti kem.
Bị phê nè, eh.
Sak ay.
Ta kan nhìn dấu trong này rồi tiếp thấp thấp.
Cái ngay đầu bốc aming lampoyer. Apo ten voklun lau baya ui ave tui ti vel. Oh, tangka se du lau. What is I mean you like most of the Mizo food but except what?
The stinky or bear gourd.
Tangka.
What's that?
Tangka.
Tangka ako.
Cái tira mo video kan siam về lạc lotto sia ai lui ni chu. Cho nên ai giờ video kan han off cho ui về cấp mà vậy chứ thôi.
Cái bộ có một cha không ạ? Tất sự cái bé đó.
En lâu la ron hung la kha cho nên nó ai về la hay cầm pa bon chu zok la cái chu cái ai lo. Cái chu cái ai về vak lo chu phang zok ni.
Rice cái chả.
Rice. Cái này là sorry, rice.
Nó ít phật ra cái đó thì nó ăn tùy miệng chứ. Mình liền.
Nó được có sạch sạch lắm mà. Cái chỗ miếng bé này. Này, ta kinh.
Lalzoa một băng pui.
Lalzoa một băng pui này. Hay.
Lalzoa ai sao được tiêu lắm.
Thì mua Lalzoa tin với em chú mua. Hey Lizo tên là Lizo tên là em mà hi tori li lâu thì box.
Oh, very good. Thank you.
What, barbecue? Oh, right.
Very good.
Thank you.
We should try at home. We never did barbecue.
The different taste?
Sao lại cái thao đồ không?
This is the duck eye is not that fat. When it's fatty, it tastes better. They said.
Oh, okay.
Nhưng mà bùi hay nhưng mà tùy tí cho mà barbecue nhưng mà Asian đồ là tiếng Anh rồi nè.
Ready made. So cái mà nó vào vào sản xuất.
Anh mẹ sao bắt đầu nếu mà in đó.
Các trời sống đi áo thì sao vậy anh? What did you say I look like with my hair? Booster, right?
No, no. No, he said a bird. That's not really.
No, she was pretty.
He's just giving you a hard time.
Mà khi giặc không thể xem mòแล้วก็จะที่giặcก็พอ Thank you, sir.
Try this one. It's made from member.
Okay.
Xem cho nó về lo.
Có cái tiếng ấy rồi. Cái mò. Có cái bé đâu.
So lại so Lalzoa là xong vật rồi. Cái cho cái răng này hai cái.
Cái thứ rất phong trương lộc cái chứ.
Rồi mưa về sinh sinh châu họ cần đủ mò cần ba tiếp bộ.
Thank you.
You want some more rice?
Just first is okay.
Some I pay so good to.
So good on camera.
That's beef. She made it, so she sell it. Did you see the label? It's written Mizo Choka.
Yeah.
It's good. She have her own business.
I don't know for you it's spicy or not
Oh,
spicy.
no.
Yeah, try it.
Okay.
Sao con lấy chụp được?
Voksa haron tem tirsin데.
Kan tuk satu itu.
You want to try vokse?
What's that?
You like boksa? You like boksa?
I'm not sure.
Pork.
What's that? Pork?
Yeah, he don't know because his wife is 7-day Adventist. So. Cái 7-day vàng ha voksa hi chu Mizo trong ha kala vizir ti ngai mẹ lo.
7 days, but her favorite.
He always make fun of me, say my favorite is pork.
Pork is her favorite.
นั่นนี่แหละที่นัดแต่อันไอ้เราแบบไม่มี
ใส่ไอ้ค่าได้ไหมเตียอัตำบกเสียกับปีเตียทนเจ้าปกจบเวลช่างช่างกันอันไอ้เราเวทปันฟิลเวลตุกันนู่น7 day เวจาร์เนี่ยกัมปานู่นหิมะอามา adopt ตัวที่7 day แล้วมันนี่จะวาง7 day school จงอากัลเวกับเชฟกันทุรินก็เกี่ยไอ้ปนเชียมุติไม่ตุมิเลเอ็นเตโมทิลก็สวยที่ฮันโดที่สวยกระริ่งแล้ว7 day นี่ละ Hey, zoo vela po mo minti shim hey wine vela po. Oh, in thailaw you can drink 7 day in yatro taka ati sello to. Kata chon ashatan. Chon voksa ni poi lo ngai na lawa ka imil lo to. Hey chon bacon na du ve chu po e chau ngai lo. You only like bacon, not much pork.
Yeah. It's
Sausage
okay.
sometime.
Yeah. I don't not like it.
Actually say lo wang e lo ve.
Mama.
Don't be shy, okay?
No.
This is like your home too. They are also from they are also a tribe of Mizo, so it's like your family too. And you're lucky to eat food next to her because she's famous in Mizoram, you know. Mizoram alar se hey Lalzoa uvali bula chu hi chu van nei sindro.
ก็ตามในรูปเนี่ยสวัสดีค่ะกันเชียนหน้าเราได้ตัวเสีย
Oh,
we know you long time ago but first time seeing here
back in again koma mi lo fia ma pa moi te kha kan ka shani ta khonge Lalzoa hi in the church. Yeah, they were asking me where is Lalzoa.
Oh, no, it's not.
No me puse a
แล้ว
translate
จะ
pe
มา
lo.
สับจอกไอ้นั่นจะรับตัวกันบ้างสับจอกที่ไม่ยังในรัสเตลเราที่นั่นบ้าง
In part, that's all. I'm going to even try to get in. Cry.
Did you try this one?
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah,
ใช่ไงเนี่ยหรอ
Oh, bosa en la ka ero eviro hey.
oh, can you some?
Oh.
Can I roll much money?
บัลช่องบัลช่องก็ฟ้าแต่นั้นดูตัวก็บอกมาจากกันแต่เราบางเฮนเกตีร์พันเราบางจูบางนี่นะ
Ina cho voi ni ke to wang ne ai lo chong ka yang. Ka pi te lo ka va
เฮ้ย
ai
กู
ne.
ติ้งแต่จูมวยเซลตัว
Ka nu mi ti sa ka.
โอ้ตีโมกูช้ำแบบ
Oh, ne lo ve en lo nei lo license sa zero ko. Ka va nei to mi ti sa zero ka ke te mo.
มีดอราไปเส้นกันตีเนี่ยอ๋อ
Oh, va. I said, Mom, this menu.
That was good. What do you call that?
Actually I don't know how to say in English
We can buy.
ค่ะ
We can buy it. Kasi lo, I
ถ้าเราให้หมอกอลมาทำกระจัดแค่นี้อันนี้มันจากเรากอลต้อง
Is
ซื้อ
it
จาก
fish? Oh, this one is the root of the, some kind of onion family.
อ๋อนี่ตะกี้นี่ตะกี้อ๋อพี่
Purunzung.
อ๋อนี่กูรักเขามิโซ่มิ
If
โซ่
you like it, we can buy, right? No? We can buy here. Chin store ke la.
อ๋อก็ถ้าเราให้เราหมายถึงแหลมเรา
Good Berkeley.
Barpian.
Go to your mom.
อ๋อ
We can go bar. Oh my God, so good.
Yeah.
It's the root of the stem, the root of the onion, and so it's different kind of onion though. It's not like the real onion we use, like red onions.
Oh, wait, what? Sound like you sound like still a bit less.
อ๋อไอ้แค่นี้ให้แค่นี้ด่าเราบ้างเนี่ยเอาส่วนตะกัดด่าเรา
Yeah, man.
สวัสดีเลย
Peter on.
Putin karon din hitan law ti se ani po Thanksgiving han law ti zaw tiya mo.
This barbecue is make Kansas barbecue.
Okay.
She said we can buy whatever they already made it. All we have to do is go and put on the grill. Yeah, we can buy from Indiana frozen.
It's an awesome cut.
Yeah.
Pa he cái sập trong kia broken nó ấy là phải thắng về thì sập trong insurance tấm tin đúng không? ปัญหามันจนกระถั่วด้วยแต่ให้
Hả mà?
มิวสิกคำแล้วจุไล่มาห้างกระดาษแต่ละเวให้ connecting call หลังคา insurance นุ่งห้างก็ตี connecting call กับกัมปานีอีกระจงอลิดโดนก็ติดจุซับตรงก็ซับตรงเลยเด็ดอันช่วยที่มีอันช่วยแถมเหล่าชิ้นแล้วตัวอันเหนียวคนอันช่วยแถมท่อกี่มาสุดที่มีก็ช่วยแถมเหล่าชิ้นจ้างเนี่ยค่ะอามานี่นนชื่อเสีย
online这种这里就快 online 看，
อย่าซับตรงไปมา
就看看看，就
อันนั้นคนหลังเราตั้มตรงมาเราสุดที่ซับตรงตะปนมาอันซับตรงให้เหนื่อยข้าวก็เสริมที่จุก
Do you want some napkins?
Yeah, one, thank you.
Diana, Vani said that Virginia people, their accent of English is different.
Yes, it
Yeah.
is.
We live been through ก็เป็นตั้งแต่4 years ago. My husband lived in West Virginia 4 years. I think.
Yeah, okay.
Me in 2.5 years. So after that we moved Indiana here.
Yeah. I've been told West Virginia is the prettiest state.
Yeah, I
I've
have.
never been though.
这边呢？
I want to
No.
visit there one day.
Yeah, they say they have it all.
Chutty,
Though.
Ma, yeah. Go and bring her. It's like spring or fall.
Yeah.
Very nice view.
นี่อุบลนี่ปะสับจงแล้วเทียมแท้ไหมเราอินทุบทีเลยไหมไอ้ดรอ
ตั้งหน้าตุ่มเลย
สับจงอีมันน่าตุรมเราเฮ้เอาอมตากาจนเล่นสวัสดิ์แล้วเหรียญตาไม่ว่าจุ
อะไรบ้างนั่นไงแต่มีเขาจะมาหาแล้วก็อะไรนอนจริงไหม
โอ้ยใส่เราไม่เต้าไม่นะกันรู้เต้อาพุ่นคงจะชุดดำถ้าเราไม่ถีเราว่าสิ่งที่ทำสิเราชุดดำนี่มีจุดเสียจุดดีเลยเสียเลย I won't tell you what but it's alright อันนึงเรามันจะการใส่เสียจัดจะอีฟันพุ่งไปแต่ก็ใช้เทียมต้องจะเราไม่ได้ You can eat more. I'm really full, but it's really good. But the thing is that, oh my
100楼
god,
你在哪？
no.
你现在在楼里。
Iya mo, dar so ba niya iya kay jud aputin law ko dami kay iya. And bak man siyam law mo kan eh. Uy, yung love noodle soup, yeah. Adulto ko.
Yeah, take it slow, so I still
Yeah,
make it hard.
Oh my god, you know how will survive. I hope you don't regret going here now. Ama sa kalpilo. Hay nilabin ama hi chuan ni na law shit na him. I ashit yam law ma si hiyan kaltak chung no ma tithei lu tok. No, I was telling them that your culture is different, you know, like you guys don't really go out so much like we do. So I was just explaining to them that. But you enjoy, right? I hope you did. That's a pork. Oh, that's a. Nupa yan. Uy. Nupa sila ito. Hey, ubuan yan. Adwat luto ka. Buksa. Law 8 year le hey. Buksa.
Maray can no pasal kan Maray ka ram ka hanin mo. Pasal ka ha video ka la mo ka ta kala better chum mo ka ani ano yung law.
Pasal.
Actually no pasal zo ka chum le.
Masap.
转哦，二卡来我 video 跟你了呗这种老用没老，你没得某个地方老用没老。
tuyem.
Terrific.
喂，那边哎，做了有。
Diyan at la chopa mo anuam lom.
個爪你都咁講，你邊邊嘅嘢，個爪啲咧個唔會就。
Top ay no chom char.
這樣啊，一輪得開始啊。
They treat you so good, like a prince,
Awesome.
right?
Oh,
Do you like to be treated like a prince?
yeah, I do.
Okay, here.
Oh, thank you.
And then if you want to put some spicy here,
Got that
a
stuff
little bit
there.
spicy, not very much.
You just chop it out.
Yeah, no, a little bit mix. Yeah,
Mix it?
Yeah.
Right.
Under here.
Ah, and then chop the noodles.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
The one is up to peso. Tiang John,
Yeah, mix well. It's okay.
Tiang
Mix
John
well.
sa po restaurant po at hope to me ang tro.
À, Mizo Choka dù nó nói ăn thôi. Anh
Hey, noodles sa siyam saka tuy bel me. What's inside?
We've got some. Is it egg noodle?
It's a noodles, yeah.
Yeah, Alien cook me. Have you eat like this? The noodles too big, right?
No, they're good. Yeah.
Oh.
What are they made out of? Is it
Rice. Yeah.
Rice noodles.
So you have to eat till you cry, okay?
Don't cry, okay? After you go.
ผมไม่ปวดหัวเส้นแล้ว
Yeah.
ปวดหัวเส้นรถจับ
They said you have to eat until you cry. Hopefully you don't gain weight once we're back in Illinois.
안 전에
Cái chỗ mình đủ cái tỷ lớn thân chỗ hoài đi nãy mà yêu sao không? Mình giờ làm ta thì mình đủ thì cần ôn dọc chuyển sao vậy không?
mình cắm chặt anh bố anh tiền lên mình dâu lắm mình cần được khổ lắm nọ chuyển sĩ anh bố lâu nhàng tiền tệ tiền anh đủ chân mình khổ để đâu sẽ tiền khăn rồi họ ông về đây này làm sao mà anh ấy cho cùng anh á một giấc chua cần quay khát cần ấy quay nóตัวนี้ว่าฮะเราquay mỗi cái là cần đã cái đó cho cùng thì cả ngày còn cái này nó cần hay rồi
Chị ạ.
cùng xong lúc sau chua cái quay khát cái này nó khăn để thấy ta mà
Bác yêu sao chọn mò thì tụi nào có cái gì po cái rong cái đủ tụi cái rong hủ đồ châu mình chú hay hủ để cá chảo để ha u văn đem phong hai cầm plan ta à em thấy nhá làเขาcầmมันđá này ăn làว่ามาsama India na cầm po cái hủ thấy chọn là cho anh khá ý và cái tập tiếng tiếng chỉ po này làว่ามานี่zo kim sa shun nó mi na valeng tur pon ăn boy em tí zo khang này to gì là ngay mà bây giờ mà trong này làว่ามีรุนแรงก็เขาแข่งกันเราvui zoใช่ไหม
cái xiêm đâu á
You like
cái
it?
đỉnh lốp đi
Yeah, it's awesome.
yeah I really like
Vok sao mà mì chung à ha?
no,
Oh no, it's pork.
I only ate the day before last night
But anyway, I'm not hungry, so it's fine.
it's too salt
Yeah, I make a
the
lot
secret
of here
family
like that.
recipe?
Yeah, my favorite is this one.
I like it.
I always keep like this.
do you do
I work in insurance,
what kind of insurance
property casualty.
property casualty
Yeah.
Okay.
So home insurance, car insurance.
oh just the same
Ka ai chot te.
do you have to do our
So given
Sa pag kaya masoy be, shim
No,
sap niya hey sap pa
So if
mo.
they have issues
Sap
or,
Lalzoa.
anything like that, they'll come to me and then I'll help.
Isap
get them
trong
set up.
thiam te ka practice na hunan me adro.
So
To
whatever
job practice
issues
na
they're
hunom
having.
si lawa.
so the customer themselves have to come to you
Ta ta kina nang ni chu nom break to in thiam to lo. Ma pi te po son thiam to tok to lo sap
Yeah,
trong
so
mo. Pu siam
I'm
thre
the
chu
one that
ma
cares
trong
for
thiam
the
sa shim
policies.
dro. In
So I
chu
do
kak
all
main.
the changing and all the claims.
In ngay sa nom ve shim shim nya. Wan te mo. Lalzoa hi Mizo chung ro se. Lalzoa speak in Mizo. What did you know in Mizo?
Mizo Choka.
Mizo Choka. At yam chun chu Mizo Choka di.
Thank you.
At tuy lu tuk te. Mizo Choka tuy lu tuk. Thiam lu tuk.
How do you say happy, hurt, and Mizo?
Happy heart.
Yeah, like you have a hurt that's happy, or so happy it hurts. Say like that.
Typical. You're like a bull. Happy heart is maybe when your heart is happy. Thin lung hlim man yang. Thin lung hlim.
Tingin takin ka lo me, tin
Oh, ti tum na yang. Are you trying to say you are happy with all your soul? Soul? Or heart? What are you trying to say?
Like you're so full that it hurts, but it feels good.
Oh, apuar lu tu ka mase ahe ahlim soi thiam lao. I don't know how to translate because maybe we don't have. Yeah, we understand what you're trying to say. Hey, ale kabuzia te an shel ne.
so I mean in the content like
Yeah.
so what is about you like a main idea? Can you explain about like
yeah. So it's let's see how to best say it. The first book, so it's going to be a series of 7 books I've got outlined. So the first one, they're grouping up, getting together. So it's like are you familiar with fantasy? So it's like they gather a party together and then they fight an evil. So this is the early stages where they're finding out what their skills are and they're coming together as a party. That sort of thing.
And you said you're writing about like the life of your colleagues and stuff.
These are based on one of them, an artist that I used to follow on Instagram. Actually, she inspired the character, and I remember one time. So she's an artist. She does makeup stuff, and I remember one of her designs. She's from Finland. One of her designs was stolen and used on the red carpet here, and I remember she was going through an ordeal to try to get credit for it, and because it was taken away from her money. So that inspired one of the characters in my book, who was a performer. But it's kind of fantastical. So there's magic and stuff. So I was able to incorporate.
Anything release, Dawn? What about release? No, you're not gonna.
For the book? No, I have to pay for editing, and they charge you by the word. So I think it's going to be somewhere between $3,000 and $5,000 to have it edited.
Don't say that your wife spent all that money.
Yeah, so I want to make sure it's ready. No more changes after I send it for editing. We're not paying for editing.
Then who will be